Hello guys, welcome to the Technoman channel. If your C drive is full and driving you crazy, don't worry. In this video, we're going to free up space with some simple and practical tips. And hey, if we solve your problem, promise you won't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to support us. The first way. First, let's see how to check if your C drive is full. Just go to this PC or my computer, and next to your C drive, you'll see a blue and red bar showing how much space you've used and how much is left. When your hard drive gets full, your system slows down and apps can have trouble opening properly. Delete extra files. The first thing you can do is clean up all the extra files hanging out on your desktop or in your downloads folder. Just delete the stuff you don't need to free up some space. The second way. Windows has this super handy tool called Disk Cleanup that helps you get rid of extra files. Just type Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open it. Then pick the drive you want and hit OK. It will show you a list of files you can safely delete. Just check the boxes next to the ones you don't need and hit delete. The third way. Deleting temporary files to get rid of temporary files. Just press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type this command into the box and hit OK. It will open a folder showing all your temporary files. Just select them all and delete. The fourth way. You can move the files, photos, and videos you still need but don't want to delete to an external hard drive or cloud storage. That way, you free up space on your PC without losing anything important. And hey, if you want a full tutorial on how to do that, just let me know in the comments and I'll make a video for you. Now for the last and final tip, number 5. Alright, you can also delete Windows Update files you don't need. Just type Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar again, pick the drive where Windows is installed, and click OK. Then, hit the Cleanup System Files button at the bottom, select the drive again, and press OK. Now you'll see the Windows Update files. Just check that box and click OK to delete them. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.